Hello everybody, this is me2407 with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys every car I got for Christmas. Before this video starts, I'd like to invite you guys to check out Bench Racing Diecast located in Newark, New York. They have the greatest selection for 164 and 124 scale diecasts, and it is an amazing store. Whether you've been collecting for years or just getting into the hobby, it is a must-see for any collector. They also have a website which is linked in the comments and description below, so if you see something you like but don't live nearby, you can still purchase it. Once again, the name is Bench Racing Diecast, but now, let's get on to the video. So I'll start out with two things that are not diecast, but are still really nice. I got two new Carney cases, so this one is their 21 car divided with the mirror back, and then I got a 10 car case. So I now have 3 of those, and then 5 of those 24 car cases. I also got this really nice NASCAR Authentics 4 car set. So it has Chase Elliott's Napa car, Ryan Blaney's Moen car, and then Kevin Harvick's Mobil 1, and Kyle Busch's M&M's car. Here's a better look at the set. I wasn't planning on taking it out of the box, so there's the Chase Elliott car. Really nice looking blue on that. Then the Blaney's alright. It's kind of more green looking to me. And then you got this Kevin Harvick, which is almost sort of a purple, but that Kyle Busch just looks really, really nice. The yellow looks amazing. The first 124 I got is Eric Jones's Armor All car. The orange on this thing is super, super bright. It's hard to tell on camera, but it's like nearly identical to the Jeff Burton like Wheaties car. That Elliott, like the Night Owl orange, is a lot darker compared to this one. This just looks really, really bright. This is my favorite scheme of the year. I've wanted this car for a while, and I almost picked one up at Bench Racing Diecast, except he sold the last one a couple hours before I came into the shop, so I guess it was for the better because I ended up getting one under my Christmas tree. Next car that I got is in my race win case, and it is Austin Cindric's 2020 Phoenix Raced version diecast. This thing just looks incredible. We've got a lot of damage on it. The color is really, really bright, so I guess 2 cars in a row that are neon, but this has some really nice looking donuts on this side, a nice little scrape on the Menards, and then we just take a look at the left side of the car, and you can see all of that good shredded tire damage. They did a really good job like making it look as real as possible. And I think this is the first or second diecast that was released on the new Mustang mold, so Lionel did a really good job on this one, and I'm really happy I have one in my collection. And the last car that I got was Josh Berry's 2021 Darlington Throwback. This thing looks incredible. I showed you guys the NASCAR Authentic of this one earlier, and I'm really glad I got this one. I think it's going to be a rare car in the future. Just an overall really nice looking scheme. It's nice to have a Barry diecast in the collection. I think this is the first of his cars to be made. But yeah, really happy I got this one. And then the last car I'm going to show you guys is one I picked up for my brother. This is Shawn Parsons' 2021 Dogecoin car. Just kind of a random piece. I think this is actually BJ McLeod Motorsports' first diecast to be made. So cool to have that. And with it being a Dogecoin car, that means it is going to go up in value. And I really hope he likes it. So that's it for Christmas 2021. If you guys are new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And comment below what cars you got this year. Once again, it's been me2407. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.